Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to make posters. Poster makings. It contains 5 marks in your examination and it is an important syllable in your subject. What is a poster? Poster is one of the communication medium used to convey the message. The message of a poster should be brief and clear. Posters are actually a placards displayed in a public places announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices, advertisement and invitations all in one. Sometimes near the bus stand or on our way in the roadside we can see means there will be a big posters or banners will be there. In that attractive advertisement will be there, and by seeing that advertisement we can use to go to there some of the places like that. What advertisement is would be there, about that we can learn. And then the main goal of the poster is capture the audience you are talking to, inform the audience you are talking to. So the purpose of the poster is it is to create social awareness about current problems or needs, or to advertise or invite and display something in near. Sometimes we can see the festival time or in the disaster time there will be some, for example the corona time, there will be some of the banners or simple notices there. The place is dangerous, don't go there, like that be some of the banners will be there. So to inform, to give the awareness about the current problems, it will be used. It is the easy way to convey the messages to the people. And then the points to take care while writing the poster, while making the poster, what are the points we have to take care? Use captions, use of slogan, logo or symbols, message should be short, telegraphic language, catchy words, short sentences. While making the poster, the layout of the poster, that we have to keep it in our mind is it should be attractive and colorful and tempting. So the wordings or the poster should be very attractive to reach the mind of the people. Slogans should be used. Slogan means the attractive words, like a rhyming words like slogan should be used. Letters may be of different sizes and shapes. The different size of words, letters should be used there to attract the people. The title should be catchy. Like for example, in sometimes for the festival time, the cloth centers, the shops, attractive wordings will be given like that. The attractive and catchy words should be there as a title. Sketches or simple drawings may be used. While making a poster, we should use sketch pens, color pens, and then the drawings also. According to that poster, we have to use the drawing. Proper spacing should be given. The handwriting should be written, and then the proper place should be given each and every words. Maximum words should be there, only 50 words you have to use. Speciality, so the speciality of the content of the poster is brain tickling, high catching, open minded questions, and heading must be highlighted. So the theme or subject description along with it, we have to use brain tickling. We have to make the people to think about that poster. And then essential like time, date, venue, etc. should be given neatly and correctly there in the poster. So eye-catchy words should be there, attractive words and colorful words should be there in the poster. Name of a issuing authority, organization should be given there. Slogans, these are all the things should be used very properly. While in the ending of the poster, what are the things we have to do means the issue, that means name of the organization from which the shop or organization or something is given, means that name we have to mention their names of a issuing authority, like for example Kasturi Bai Company or VNP shop or something like that. The attractive words will be there in the banner, no? The like the same we have to use there. And then expression of the poster also should be there, like using slogans, sequencing, and the creativity to appreciating. That means creatively some of the words we have to use to attract the people. Like some of the example I'm giving here. See the example. So donate your eyes, like that also we can make the poster. So these are all the eye picture is there, and then help them see the world. So if the eyes is there means we can make the person to see the world. So this like you have to use the words to attract the people. And then warning, the water is the essential of life. So this like word should be used. And then in the box, these are all the things. The poster, while making the poster you have to create a box around the message, and it should be in a neat manner. So this is the poster making, dear children. Thank you.